And this is a continuation of my training from last week. So every week we have a training on binary options trading, and I also train Forex trading, stock options trading and stocks trading, cryptocurrency trading, digital marketing trading, and at the moment we are doing binary options trading. So I started teaching you guys about the support and resistance. We have a lot of people on this webinar today. We have people from all over the world. Tajimoto from Tokyo, Japan. We have Karen from New York. Karinsis is joining us from Berlin, Germany. We have Mr. Scott from London, UK. We have Omosis from Lagos, Nigeria, down in Africa. We have Malemala down there in Cape Town, South Africa. Peter is in Nairobi. We have Ahmed from Dubai, UAE. We have Mr. Singh joining us from New Delhi, India. We have Rodriguez joining us from Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. And we have Jorgensen joining us from Denmark. And I wanted to show you guys that looking at the structure here, you know, just if I can zoom out here, you can see I have drawn my support lines here. And how do you draw your support lines? You come right here on Pocket Options, click the horizontal line, and you can move this line up and down based on your candle formations. Now, if you guys are new and you don't know what candles are, I have put a resource in the description where you can click the link and read about candle Bibles. And of course, the basics of drawing a line is where you see some support and also where you see some resistance. So for example, when I have a pair of a red and a green candle and they're making what we call the flat bottoms, then that's where I'm going to draw my lines. So let me delete these lines. And I'm going to put in some lines here. This is a continuation of last week's training. Part 1 was last week. This is part 2. And we shall continue with this series. This year I'm focusing on support and resistance because it's very, very profitable in both binary options trading, Forex trading, stocks trading, just regular stocks trading, crypto trading. If you can understand, if you master support and resistance, you are going to be profitable. Now, what I'm providing here, guys, here is not professional advice or any investment advice. It's just my experience. I've been training this for many, many years, and I have a lot of students, a lot of private students are on here. Tajimoto is on here from Tokyo. We have Sean from Seoul, South Korea. We have Han, who is joining us from Singapore. There's Josephine from Sydney, Australia. We have Mr. Baker from Atlanta, Georgia. Jose from Sacramento, California, and many, many others. There's over 1,000 people on here tonight, and I'm not going to be able to mention all of them, but you're all welcome. So before we proceed, let us say a word of prayer. Almighty Father, we pray that all the trades we're going to take today, they'll be successful, and that all those people who are on this training shall also be successful. And guys, if you don't have anything, go ahead and put away all your distractions, okay? Pay attention. If you're already on here, don't leave because you'll not be able to come back. These webinars are by invitation only. We send the emails in the beginning of the week. And of course, there are more than 1,000 people invited. So if you leave, you might not be able to come back. The webinar software can only hold 1,000 people, but you can watch the replay on YouTube. Now, for those of you who are going to be watching it on YouTube, you can subscribe to this channel. Like and share the videos so they can help somebody else out there. I'm doing these trainings for free, especially during this pandemic. It touched my heart. A lot of people have lost their jobs, lost their incomes, and they don't know how to make money. They're staying home. They don't know how to make money online. So I am giving these trainings for free. Even though I have a lot of private students here, with their permission, I'm able to share some of these trainings. So every week we have a training coming. So subscribe to this channel. And right now we are training binary options because this is money in minutes. You can make quick backs, and if you have to pay your bills, you can learn the strategies and start making money very, very first. And then after that, we shall be teaching the regular Forex. We shall be teaching digital marketing, how to start an online business, very successful one, how to conduct your advertising online, Facebook advertising, Google advertising, YouTube, on all the other social medias and all kinds of media buying. I've been doing that for a very, very, very long time. So just stay put and pay attention. Okay, so basically for us to draw our support lines, this is Pocket Options. The link is in the description. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and open an account with Pocket Options. It's free to open the demo account. You don't need your credit card. You just need your name and your email address. It will take you 2 seconds to do that, guys. And of course, I also recommend the other broker, Quotex. I use all these. I use up to 6 brokers. You know why? You don't want to put your eggs in one basket. If one of them is down, you can continue trading with another one, so you can meet your goals, daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, okay? All right, guys, so you don't want to just put your eggs in one basket. You got to learn all these skills and practice them on all the brokers, okay? Because some of the skills work, like resistance and support and resistance is universal. You can use that with any of the brokers, okay? And it will be profitable if you follow the steps. So join the classes every week. And of course, watch the videos, the replay, and of course, you can join our Telegram group. The links are in the description. And of course, our WhatsApp group, if you like WhatsApp, there's a WhatsApp there. If you don't like Telegram, you can join the WhatsApp. If you like WhatsApp, you don't like Telegram, you can join the WhatsApp and ask your questions. And this webinar replay is going to be posted there, and you can ask your questions. Don't be shy. Just be respectful and ask your questions, and somebody is going to answer you questions. And if you like to comment below the videos, you can do that. But of course, be wary of scammers. The people put links on the comments. I don't put any official links on the comments. Okay, all my links are in the description, guys. So don't fall for scammers. Okay, if somebody tells you they can trade money for you, just run away. You know they're going to take your money and run away. Okay. So you don't need any money here. You can just learn this for free for now. Okay. All right, guys. So let's put our line. So you come right here and you press the horizontal line, and you can move the lines accordingly. So I'm going to put one here. So that would be our resistance line right there. Okay. And we can also put another one here. That's going to be our support line. Right here, it shows you there's some support right there. So you can see now it's actually going down, so we can take a sell option trade here. So I've taken just 3 of those, and why I did that, they're $2 each, so this is not going to wipe out my account at all. This is just for demonstration purposes, because my account is still 4,270. So if I lose $6, that's not going to break the bank, okay? So you have to trade with the amounts that you are comfortable, you can afford to lose. Never trade with monies that you can afford to lose. You never trade with your rent money. And this is not financial advice or any professional advice, but if you follow the teachings, you'll be successful. So we're in the money here. I took a trade. The candles here are 1 minute, okay? I'm using 1 minute candles, and I'm just using regular candles, not the Heikenashi, okay? If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go and study the Candle Bible. I've put the link in the description under resources, okay? Go and read that book about Candle Bible, where you will study all about candles. It's very important that you know all the types of candles. And of course, you can see, guys, let me continue here and put another line. Just here, we see there's a lot of, this was our support line. And then the candles broke our resistance line, and this became our support line, and they moved up here, and now we have a new resistance line. So these lines are dynamic. You gotta be shifting them depending on the market. So right now we are hoping that this is going down and it is holding, and you can see we have confirmation here. I use 2 indicators because I'm trading the OTC market, okay? Very volatile. I'm doing this on a weekend. So all I'm trading here is OTCs, and that's trading against the broker, which is very, very volatile. Nobody likes to lose money. Even the brokers don't like to lose money, so they can easily take your money. So how do you draw the lines? Again, I told you guys, you got to look at, analyze your candle, analyze the pairs that you have, and you can favorite several pairs here on Pocket Options. Similarly, on Quotex, you can do the same. And guys, you can see we won all the 3 trades that we took. You can see right there, we won those, and that this works. So guys, follow this training strategy, and it's going to make you money. Okay, so this is part 2. Watch out for part 3 next week, and may the markets be with you, and may God bless you. Have a good night, good morning, and good day, guys. Thank you.